So guys, I'm going to assume that you have a 3DS that's running custom firmware. So you want to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. You want to turn on Wi-Fi. Now you want to open up Universal Updater. And now once you're on this, you want to go to search. You want to type in right here, NDS. You want to type in NDS and then click on OK. You want to install this one right here. It's going to be like a blue whale. It's called NDS folder. You want to go to it and then click on A. It should be saying NDS folder right here, and then click on A again and then confirm. You want to install the NDS folder. Let's wait for this to load. And then once that's been installed, we're just going to go to home. Now once we're here, you want to open up the Homebrew launcher. So this right here, Homebrew launcher, you want to open this up and then click on OK. Now once we're on the Homebrew launcher, you're just going to scroll down to the very bottom. It should be saying NDS folder generator. You want to click on that, which will now take us to here. You want to go to where you have your NDS ROMs saved. So for me, I'm going to scroll down till I find ROMs. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to scroll down again and then click on NDS. It should now be showing all of your games right here. So let's say that I want to add Chrono Trigger to my dashboard. I'm going to click on A and then click on yes to install it. And it should now be saying install complete. You want to click on A again. Now we're just going to go back home. You should now be seeing a present on your dashboard. It's going to say that new software has been added. You want to click on OK, and it should now appear right here. You want to click on unwrap. And your NDS game should now appear on your dashboard. That's how you do it.